Hey, what I'm about to tell you in this video is not just a story. This is a real journey. I want you to listen carefully, seriously, because this one story can completely change the way you see money, success, and social media. He was just 18 years old, living in a small apartment with his parents. No rich background, no connections, no fancy setup, just a basic smartphone, cheap internet, and a mind full of questions about how people online were making thousands of dollars every single month. His name was Arav, and like most teenagers, he used to scroll 4 hours on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, watching creators show luxury lifestyles, expensive cars, and freedom that felt impossible for someone like him. And one question kept repeating in his mind: how are these people making so many dollars just from their phones? That question slowly turned into curiosity, and curiosity turned into obsession, and that obsession is what changed his life forever. At first, Arav had no idea what he was doing, but he knew one thing: social media was not just entertainment. It was a money machine if used the right way. So instead of just scrolling, he decided to start creating. He opened an Instagram page in the niche of motivation, money mindset, and success stories, because he noticed that people love content that talks about dollars, success, and financial freedom. He started posting simple reels with quotes, background music, and basic edits, expecting overnight success. But reality hit hard: 10 views, 20 views, sometimes not even 50 views. Days passed, then weeks, and nothing changed. No followers, no engagement, no dollars. Most people would quit at this stage, but Arav didn't. Instead of quitting, he started studying the game. He realized that social media is not luck, it's strategy, it's psychology, it's understanding attention. He began analyzing viral videos, noticing patterns like strong hooks, fast pacing, emotional storytelling, and higher PM keywords like make money online, earn dollars, financial freedom, side hustle, and passive income. He completely changed his approach. Now every video started with a powerful hook. Stop scrolling if you want to earn dollars. If you're under 25, listen to this. This one skill can make you thousands of dollars. And suddenly, things started to shift. One video hit 50,000 views. The next crossed 200,000. And then one reel exploded to over 1 million views. His phone was flooded with notifications. Followers started increasing rapidly: 1,000, 10,000, 50,000, and within just a few months, he crossed 100,000 followers. But here's where most people misunderstand the game: followers don't automatically mean dollars. Arav understood this quickly, so he moved to the next level: monetization. He started with affiliate marketing, promoting products like books, online courses, and tools related to making money online, adding links in his bio, and earning commissions on every sale. The first month, he made around $40. The second month, $150, and by the third month, he crossed $500. It wasn't a lot, but for an 18-year-old with no income, it felt like proof that dollars can actually be made from social media. That belief changed everything. Then Arav did something most creators are scared to do. He started showing his face. He shifted from faceless content to personal branding, talking directly to the camera, sharing his journey, teaching others how to grow, how to earn dollars online, and how to escape the traditional 9-to-5 mindset. His content became more real, more relatable, and more valuable. People started trusting him, and in the online world, trust equals dollars. Soon, brands started reaching out to him for collaborations. His first brand deal paid him $200 for a single reel. Then came $500 deals, then $1,000 deals. Within 6 months, he was earning more dollars than his father, who had been working 4 years. But Arav didn't stop there. He understood that real money is not just in brand deals, it's in owning something. So he created his own digital product, a simple course teaching people how to grow on Instagram and earn dollars. Using social media, he priced it at $12, keeping it affordable for beginners. On the first day, he made 50 sales, $600 in one day. Within a week, he crossed $3,000. That's when it hit him. He was no longer just a content creator. He had become a digital entrepreneur. Over time, Arav scaled his system. He hired video editors, built a small team, and started multiple pages in different niches, all focused on higher PM topics like money, business, and online income. He used automation, consistency, and data to grow faster. Now, instead of posting one video a day, he was publishing multiple pieces of content daily, multiplying his reach and his dollars. His income streams expanded: affiliate marketing, brand deals, digital products, and even consulting. Everything was connected to one thing: attention. 1 year later, Arav had over 1 million followers across platforms, multiple income streams, and was earning between $10,000 to $20,000 per month. But more than the dollars, he had something most people never achieve: freedom. No boss, no fixed schedule, no limits, just his phone, his ideas, and his ability to turn attention into dollars. The most powerful part of this story is not the money, it's the lesson. Arav was not the smartest, not the richest, not the most talented. The only difference was that he decided to stop consuming and start creating. While 95% of people spend hours scrolling and watching others make dollars, only a small percentage actually take action, and an even smaller percentage stay consistent long enough to win. So if you're listening to this right now, understand this: everything Arav used, you already have: a phone, internet, and time. The difference is how you use it. You can either keep scrolling and watching others earn dollars, or you can start creating and build your own path. Because the next 18-year-old who turned social media into a dollar machine could be you.